There will come a day when your name is spoken in rooms you've never stepped into. But that day will only come if you refuse to quit today. The rain was falling like a war drum on the rooftops as Jordan sat on the edge of his bed, fists clenched, heart racing, eyes burning. 24 years old, broke, no degree, no job, no clear direction, and worst of all, no one believed in him anymore, not even himself. The world had given him labels: lazy, failure, disappointment. But inside, there was still a flicker of something unexpected. A whisper that said, "You were born for more." He remembered his childhood dream to build his own business, to speak on stages, to inspire millions. But life hit him like a sledgehammer. Every time he stood up, it knocked him down harder. Rejections, betrayals, empty bank accounts, friends who vanished, family who doubted. And yet, he was still here. That night, something shifted. Jordan walked into the bathroom, looked himself in the mirror, and for the first time in years, he didn't look away. His reflection was bruised by failure, but behind the tired eyes was something else. Determination. "I may have nothing right now," he whispered, "but I'm still breathing. And that means I've still got a He grabbed a notebook from his drawer and scribbled 4 words on the first page. No more excuses. Now, that was day one. Not of a perfect life, but of a real He started waking up at 5 a.m., cold showers, workouts, books, podcasts, online classes, while the world scrolled and complained. Jordan worked in silence. Day by day, brick by brick. People laughed. They said it was too late. They said he didn't have what it took. But here's the thing about fire: it doesn't need permission to burn. And Jordan, he was a wildfire. 6 months in, he launched a small online store. Orders were slow, but he kept going. He reinvested every penny. 12-hour days turned into 16. He failed 100 times, but each failure taught him something the classroom never could. 1 year later, he was standing on stage, speaking to a crowd of 500 about resilience and self-belief. Cameras flashed. Applause echoed. Tears rolled down his cheeks, not because he made it, but because he refused to quit when no one was watching. Jordan's story wasn't special because of talent. It was special because he made a decision. I will become the person I was born to be, even if no one claps for me on the way up.